नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तुम्मि प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. We are on the sixth part of real numbers, 9th standard maths 1, and we are on the practice set 2.3, but we are doing concept, practice set like that. Now, new concept is simple surd and mixer. Simple surd and mixer. Term containing only surd is called simple surd. For example, root 18 is a simple surd. And term containing real number and surd is called mixed surd. Here it is a simple surd, but here I can write 9 into 3 means 3 root 2, 3 root 2, then 5 root 10, okay, 5 by 7 root 22 upon 7. These are F5 in bracket 22 upon 7 या फिर 5 by 2 root 11. All these are what? Mixers. See, a term containing only surd is called as what? Simple surd. See, this is, I have converted into what? Mixer, and by this way we are going to put what? Simple to mix or mix to simple also. So term which contain only surd is called as what? Simple surd, and when it contains real number as well as surd is called as what? Mixed surd. Please copy on this. Compare the surd. The surds, two surd, to compare two surds, they must be simple surds. Means if mixed, convert into simple. They must have same order. Means one surd is order 3 and one surd is of order 2 नहीं चलेगा. अगर ऐसा भी रहेगा तो भी हमें दोनों का ऑर्डर सेम करना पड़ता है. In last syllable it was there. Now it is not there in this syllabus, तो आपको इतना हेडेक नहीं है. But ये जरूरी है कि they should have same order. After that, we compare radicand. Okay, the surd having greater radicand is greater. Okay, got it now? Suppose root 10 is there and root 12 is there. Order of surds are equal. That is n is equal to 2. And 10 is smaller than 12. So I can say that root 10 is smaller than root 12. This is the comparison. Okay, got it now? Suppose they are giving 2 root 10 and root 30. If you want to compare it is a mixer. So first of all, order is same. So you are going to take it inside. How to convert it to inside? Then 10 into 2 square. that is equal to 10 into 4, 40, and is good 30. So what I can write then? Order is same. Order is same. That is n is equal to 2, and 40 is greater than 30. So root 40 is greater than root 30, or 2 root 10 is greater than root 30. This is the way you are going to do the comparison. Okay, once again, compare means find the order relation. Compare का मतलब होता है find order relation. Please keep in mind, if they are asking find the order relation between two surds, we are going to compare the surds. To compare the surd, they must be simple surd. Compare करने के लिए सबसे पहला तो नहीं. If mixed surd is there, convert it towards simple, and they must have same order. They must have what? इसका order 2 है तो इसका भी 2 होना चाहिए. नहीं तो last syllabus what you used to do, you used to take the LCM of it, फिर convert करते थे, but luckily this year it is not there. Okay, and after that we compare radicands. The surd having greater radicand is greater. So yeah, here this thing. Order of the two surd is 2. 12 is greater than 10 means what? Surd root 10 is less than root 12. Same thing is there. It is a mixed surd. So when I am going to take it inside, अगर रूट वाला है तो 2 स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. क्यूब रूट वाला रहेगा तो 2 क्यूब होता है अंदर लेने के बाद. तो 10 into what? 2 square is 4. 10 into 4 is 40. Root 30. So 2 root 10 is greater than root 30. So do one thing, copy down it properly by pausing the video. Now see the student fifth question. Compare the following pairs of surds, that is of practice set 2.3. 7 root 2, 5 root 3, 247 and 274. All these we have to compare. Okay. So solution for this, for surds with surds 7 root 2 and 5 root 3. These both of them are mixed surds, and to compare they must be simple. Therefore what I will do, 7 root 2 is equal to, if I am taking 7 inside, it becomes 7 square. So that is equal to 2 into 49, that is equal to 98. And 5 root 3, see once again, root 3 is already there, but when I am taking 5 inside, I write as what? 5 square. That is equal to 3 into 25 is equal to 75. Now, order of surds are equal. That is n is equal to 2 only. And radicand at the 98 and 75. Which one is greater? 98 is greater. Therefore, I can write down root 98 is greater than root 75. That indicates 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. This is the way you are going to do the sum. This is the way you are going to compare the surds. So I think you understood how to do it. Okay. So copy down it properly. Now question number 2 is for surds root 247 and 274. वो तो simple surds है, तो not required to convert mixed surd into simple surd. They are already simple. Then what I go try? Order of surds are equal. That is n is equal to 2 only. And if I am comparing 247 and 274, which one is greater? 274 is greater. Therefore, root of 247 is smaller than root of 274. This is the comparison. It's a very simple question it is. Copy down it properly. Now next one is third question. 2 root 7 for surds. 2 root 7 and root 28. Okay. Therefore, now it is a mixed surd. We have to convert into a simple surd. How to do a simple surd? 7 is already inside. If I am taking inside, order is 2. I write 2 through square. That is 7 into 4 is equal to root 28. Now it is a mixed only, so it will remain as it is. Now compare this and this. As order of surds are equal, n is equal to 2 and 28 or यहाँ 28 both are equal, means root 28 is equal to root 28, means 2 root 7 is equal to root 28. Put in the box. Copy down it properly. Now fourth question for surds 5 root 5 and 7 root 2. For this type of questions, I think now you can do your own. So आप लोग एक काम करो, pause the video, do your own, and then you compare what I am going to do. Okay? So you pause the video and you continue. I am going to continue over here. So 5 root 5 is a mixed surd. We are going to convert it to simple surd. 5 is already under root. ये 5 को अंदर लेते हैं, become 5 square. That is 5 into 25. It becomes 125. And 7 root 2. 2 is already inside. 7 को अंदर लिया, it becomes 7 square. 2 into 49. It becomes 98. Then you are going to write order of this surd is 2, order of this surd is 2. So order of surds are equal. That is n is equal to 2. And if I am comparing as 125 is greater than 98, means root 125 is greater than root 98, means I can say that 5 root 5 is greater than 7 root 2. That you are going to put in the box, and that is your final answer. Copy down it properly. Now 4 root 42, sorry, I am going to write for surds 4 root 42 and 9 root 2. Both are mixed surd. You are going to convert into what? Simple surd. How to do it? Root 42 is there. So 42 is already inside the. This is the one radicand. Now this number you have to convert it. If you are going to take it out, take it inside the square root bracket. So I'll get 42 into 16. But now I should know the value of a table of 16. 16 2s are 32, 3, 16 4s are 64, plus 3 is 67. I'll repeat, 16 2s are 32, 3 रह गया, 16 4s are 64, plus 3 is 67, and 9 root 2 is equal to, again, 9 is already there, sorry, 2 is already inside, 9, if I am taking, it will become 9 square, this will become 2 into 81, that is equal to nothing but 2, 162. Then you are going to write order of surds are equal, that is n is equal to 2, and as 672 is greater than 162, so ultimately what I'll get, root 672 is greater than 162. Therefore, 4 root 42 is greater than 9 root 2. This you are going to put in the box, and that is your final answer. Copy down it properly. Now 5 root 3 and root 9. Root 9 is not a surd. 4 terms we can write. 4 terms. 5 root 3 and 9. So what I can do is 5 root 3 is there. I'm going to convert it to our surds. So this will be root 3 into 5 square is equal to 5 into 25 is 120. Sorry, I made a mistake. 3 is there now. It is 75. And a 9 is there. Correct? That is actually 9 root 1 is there. Nothing is there means what? 9 root 1. That's why I can take 9 square. That is equal to 81. Now, as order of surds are equal, that is n is equal to 2, and 75 and 81 may 81 is greater. Therefore, ultimately root 75 is smaller than root 81. That indicates 5 root 3 is smaller than 9. Okay, come on it. For term, for numbers 7 and 2 root 5. Then what I can write? 7 is there. I told you that. इसको बिल्कुल हमें ध्यान देना है. 2 root 5. इसकी ऑर्डर कितनी है? 2. So I can write 7 root 1. Root 1 का वैल्यू 1 ही आता है. Now I am going to take it inside. 1 into 7 square. That is root 49. यहाँ क्या होगा? 5 into 2 square is equal to 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Now you tell me which one is greater? Order of surds are equal. Order of surds are equal. N is equal to 2. And if I am comparing 49 and 20, 49 is greater. So ultimately, root 49 is greater than root 20. Therefore, 7 is greater than 2 root 5. That you have to put in the box, and it is the final answer. Copy down it properly. Simplify. First question is 5 root 3 plus they have given 8 root 3. Now see, it is 5 root 3 and 8 root 3. So when we are considering here, we are going to consider the similar, like surds. Now if you see 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3 में root 3 are what? Like surds. That I can take it out. Like x is there. तो x टर्म को बाहर ले तो अंदर क्या रहेगा? 5 plus 8. तो ultimately पढ़ा जाएगा 5 plus 3 is 5 plus 8 is 13. It becomes 13 root 3. So 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3 is equal to 13 root 3. It is a simple form of what? It is a simplification of this given pair of surds. Copy down it properly. Now, second question. It is 9 root 5 minus 5 root 5 plus 125. So 9 root 5, it is in mixed form. To this type of questions, you try to convert simple form of, means first you try to convert to mixed surd and you try to take it out what like surds. तो ये तो simple surd है. We are going to convert mixed surd. तो 125 के फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे हम लोग. तो क्या होगा? 5 लास्ट में 5 है ना? 25 5 5 5 1. So 5 into 5 into 5. So wait. That is equal to 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus instead of 125, I am going to write 5 into 5 into 5. That is equal to 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5. If I am taking it out, it becomes root 5. Everywhere it is root 5 is the common term. This becomes 9 minus 5 plus 5. 9 minus 5 is 5 plus 5. Root 5. I am getting 10 root 5. Therefore, 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus root of 125 is equal to 10 root 5 is the answer for this question. Copy down it properly. Now, next one is 7 root 48 minus 27 minus root 3. First, you try to convert simple sort into mixed sort. तो 7 is already there and 48 के हम लोग अगर पार्ट्स करें तो मे बी पॉसिबल ऐसा कर सकते तो डायरेक्टली कर दो 16 3s are 48. Here I can write 9 into 3. Why 16? Because I know that 16 is a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square. और इसको तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर पा रहा और नहीं आता है तो then you have to do 48 का factors ऐसे भी करेंगे तो चलेगा. So this become now 7 into 4 root 3 because it is coming out, it will become 4. ये बाहर आएगा तो क्या होगा 3 root 3 because 9 is the square of 3 minus root 3. After doing that 7 4 का कितना होता है 28 root 3 root 3 minus root 3. So what we are going to do is we are going to take root 3 common. Root 3 common. So what will happen now? 28 minus 3 minus 1. Please student याद कुछ नहीं है मतलब 1 लेना पड़ेगा हम लोग को. तो 28 3 and कुछ नहीं मतलब minus 1. So 25 minus 1 into root 3 it become 24 root 3. Therefore what answer I get? 7 root 48 minus root 27 minus root 3 is equal to 24 root 3 that we are going to put in the box. Okay. I think you understood not then एक बार वापस से वीडियो देखो तुम लोग. You'll get it. Okay. Copy down it properly. Last question for simplified. 6th question. 6 का last question. So what you are going to write? Root 7 minus 3 root 5 root 7 plus 2 root 7. Everywhere root 7 root 7. तो हमें कुछ मिक्स सेट वगैरह कन्वर्ट करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. We'll put root 7 common. So यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं है मतलब 1. I told you that. Minus 3 by 5 plus 2. So it is 1. So I will do one thing. I take it 2 आगे लेते हैं 3 by 5 root 7. तो 3 minus 3 upon 5 root 7. यहाँ हम लोग डिनोमिनेटर लेंगे 1 and we are going to cross multiply it because when minus sign is there and denominator is different, then you have to cross multiply it. 3 into 5 into 3 into 1 upon 1 into 5 root 7. So 5 3s are 15 minus 3 upon 5 root 7. 15 minus 3 is 12 by 5 root 7. 12 by 5 root 7. Therefore, what is the answer then? Root 7 minus 3 by 5 root 7 plus 2 root 7 is equal to 12 upon 5 root 7 and you put in the box. This is your final answer. Okay, so I think you understood it. In this case, only the value is in fraction. It is a real number which is in fraction. So 1 plus 2 we can take it together. They are normal numbers. So 1 plus 2 is 3. But 3 के नीचे denominator नहीं है. I have to take 1. It is 3 upon 5. When denominators are different, then you have to cross multiply it. 3 into 5, 3 into 1, 1 into 5 into root 7 actually. So what will happen now? 15 minus 3. Denominator same हो गया upon 5 equal to root 7. This become 15, 12 upon 5 root 7. That's why answer of this is what? 12 by 5 root 7. Student, we are going to stop here for the part 6. You copy down it properly by pausing the video, and we'll continue in next part, that is 7th part of here.